Now, previous lesson we started with quadratic inequalities. And now today let me choose someone who will help me to solve.
Excuse me, teacher, did you take attendance?
No, I didn't take the attendance. No. So Fatih, how will solve A? We cannot hear you, Fatih, if you're talking.
Teacher.
Okay. What we'll do? What will be our first step?
Teacher, I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Thank you, Fatih. Sarah, what about you?
Teacher,
Yes. You don't know?
can someone else do it and I can watch and see it how?
Okay.
Teacher, we first, can I say?
Wait a bit, Salman.
Okay.
Yona, what do you think? How we'll solve this one?
Teacher, I think we have first to equalize it with 0.
So we need to write first as, how we call it, standard form, in standard form, yes?
Yes.
But I cannot hear your voice very well. Yona, can you
hear me now?
It's very low, you know?
Now is it okay?
Yes, now it's better.
Okay.
So how we'll do? Can you tell me? I will write what we need to do.
Teacher will write x square.
Yes.
I think. Then plus 20 or...
Okay, but firstly, let's write the other term. 9x when I will take to the other side.
Minus 9x.
Minus 9x plus 20. What will be? What is our sign?
Teacher is smaller than or equal to 0.
Smaller than only, smaller than to 0, smaller than 0. Then what will be the next step?
Then x square minus 9x
okay
plus 20
okay
is equal to 0.
Yes.
Then x and x.
We are factorizing.
Yes.
And x.
And 10 and 2.
10 and 2 will give you 9?
No.
No.
Then
what we need to do?
5 and 4.
Minus 5.
Yes.
Yes. 5 and 4 will help us. So it will be 5, 4. But here I have, Yona, minus 9. Here I have plus 20. So what I need to write the signs of 5 and 4?
Teacher, minus 5. And 4.
Minus 4. Minus 5 and 4 will be minus 20, but minus 5 and minus 4 will be plus 20. And here you will have minus 9, okay? So what will do after this?
X1 will be minus 4.
X1 will be, look, if you have here minus 4, X1 is 4 directly, yes? Plus 4.
Yes.
Then?
4, then X2, 5.
Okay. Then after that, what we'll do?
After that, teacher, the table.
Sign chart. How we'll draw the sign chart?
Teacher will write the equation.
Okay. X squared minus 9x plus 20. Okay.
And then teacher...
I hope that the others are writing.
4 and 5.
4 and 5.
5 and then infinity.
We have minus infinity, plus infinity. Okay.
And teacher will start with the plus.
Okay. Why
Then
plus?
teacher, because we have positive numbers.
In front of x squared. Okay, we are starting with plus.
Then minus.
Then minus.
Then plus.
Then plus. Okay.
Then teacher, element of x.
X is element of which part we are taking?
Teacher, minus infinity and 4.
Y. What is our inequality? Less than 0, yes?
Yes.
So we are taking the negative ones, only this part. So x is element of 4 and 5. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, this is the solution. Is 4 and 5 included or not? Stephanie, is 4 and 5 included here? It will be included or not?
I think no, teacher.
Why not? It is okay, it is not included, but why we didn't take 4 and 5?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Elza, what do you think? Why we didn't take 4 and 5?
Because they're not included.
Yes, they are not included. We choose that not to be included. By why?
I am not sure.
You are not sure? Okay. Okay, Ermal? Is Ermal here?
Yes, teacher.
Where is your camera, Ermal? Why your camera is not open?
Oh, I forgot. Wait.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Teacher, I think I know.
Ermal, why we are not taking 4 and 5 as solution? Why 4 and 5 is not included?
Because the x is between 4 and 5.
Okay, x is between 4 and 5, but we wrote like this. We said that it's open.
Yeah.
There is a reason for this.
Teacher, because there is not less or equal to.
Yes, because the sign is only less than 5, less than 0. There is no equality here.
Not less or equal.
If there was equality, the dots, the points will be filled, and 4 and 5 will be included. It's okay? Did we understand now?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Now, I am choosing to solve C with, let me check. Stanislav is here, Stanislav? Stanislav?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Stanislav, your camera first, and then how we'll solve C. C is x times 6x plus 7 greater than or equal to 0. How we'll solve this one?
Good question.
Yes. It's a good question.
How would you solve it?
Mm-hmm. Do you have any opinion? Because as it seems, our lessons will continue like this. Me waiting you to answer. Not you, especially Stanislav, but you in plural.
I mean, speaking only me in general is good as well.
So I think that Stanislav doesn't have any opinion how to solve, how to start. Alexander?
Opinions get you in trouble.
Yes, teacher.
How we'll solve this
I'll
one?
multiply x times 6x.
Okay, it will be
6x squared plus 7x
okay.
bigger or equal to 0.
Greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Now what we'll do?
This is standard form.
Mm-hmm.
We will find the roots.
Okay, how we'll find the roots?
How
Firstly, we need to equalize to 0. Yes, you have here.
yeah,
6 squared plus 7x is equal to 0, we'll say.
so it will be x, no, 3x, teacher, can I write like
3x.
Oh,
But
no,
how you will
here,
take 3 from 7?
x1 will be 0.
So we'll take x in front of the parenthesis and
It
here,
will be xx plus
okay,
7.
plus 7.
No, plus 7.
Okay, then,
X1 will be 0
okay,
and x2 will be 7/6.
but minus 7 over 6. I think.
Minus 7/6.
Okay, minus 7 over 6. Now,
So how can we do now?
we will do the sign chart after the roots.
Yes.
Okay. We'll start from minus infinity. Then which one is smaller? Minus 7 over 2 or 0?
Minus 7/6.
Minus 7 over 2. Then I have here 0 and plus infinity. Our expression is 6x squared plus 7x.
Yes.
Then
So
roots, it will be filled or empty?
plus minus plus, teacher, it will.
It will be plus, minus, plus,
Filled.
filled. What does it mean when it is filled?
They're
There?
they're bigger, teacher. Bigger
When
or
the-
equal
When the dots are filled, it means that they are bigger
or equal to.
or equal to. Okay, so how will be our solution?
X
Of?
is element of 6. No, they're included, teacher.
They are included. I was asking for that one.
Yes.
If the dots are filled, it means that these points are included.
Because we have the greater than or equal to sign.
Yes,
why
because here we have greater than.
The
Or,
other one we didn't have that sign. That's why.
so which parts will take as solution? Pluses or minus?
You're asking me, teacher? Or
Yes, you were solving.
with
If you want, I
open
can give
it will be minus, teacher.
one more time. I couldn't hear you.
Wait, teacher, second.
Sarah, what do you think? Which
Pluses,
ones
teacher,
we need
pluses.
to take? Pluses or minus?
Pluses is our solution, teacher.
Pluses is our solution. Why?
Because it needs to be a positive number.
Because it's greater to
It's greater than equal
or
to
equal.
0. Yes. So
Yes.
because of that, we are taking the positive ones. Then how will be the solution set? Alexander, how will write it?
X is minus infinity, teacher.
Minus infinity till it goes till
7/6.
minus 7 over 6. And this parenthesis will be closed or open?
Open, teacher.
Closed.
Closed. It will be closed. It's included, we said.
Oh, yeah, yes.
Yes. Then union. After that, we need to write this part.
0,
0 plus infinity.
0 plus infinity.
3 plus
0
infinity.
plus infinity, but how will be the parenthesis?
Closed.
Which one? 0 will be closed. Infinity will be?
Open.
Open, teacher.
Yes, infinity is always open. Okay?
It's okay.
And
Yes.
If you're writing, I can give you time and me to take the attendance while you.
Teacher, will you upload the videos in YouTube?
I uploaded last night, last videos.
Okay, teacher,
Yes, teacher,
thanks.
but they aren't from Monday.
They are also from Monday. They are,
Thanks, teacher.
but I'm not uploading in Moodle the links directly in YouTube.
Yeah.
Check. But while I am explaining, if you will take some notes and if you will try to write and solve, it will be better. If you cannot catch the, if it is too fast, you can take the notes later, but the ones that you couldn't finish. But while I'm solving, and if you will solve with me, you will see which part is harder and what we are doing there. Okay?
Okay, teacher. I'm a bit back with the writings. That's why I will write later.
Okay.
Same to me, because we didn't write in from Monday. I will write after classes.
Okay. Yusuf is here? No. Anita? No. Alexander?
Here.
Here. Eva? Eva?
Here.
Here. Elsa?
Here.
Yes, teacher, I'm here.
Okay. Amra?
I'm here.
Here. Yona?
Here.
Okay. Stephanie?
Here.
Here. Fatih?
Here.
Arya?
Here.
Here. Tringa?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Ardita?
I'm here.
Arta? Arta?
I'm here.
Okay. Giovanna?
I'm here.
Okay. Vesa?
I am here, teacher.
Okay. Stanislav?
I'm here, teacher.
Teacher, can I close
Okay.
the camera for 2 minutes?
Okay. Salman?
I'm here, teacher.
Rumeysa?
Here.
Here. Sarah?
I'm here.
Erman?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Hamza?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay, Hamza. Besan?
Here, teacher.
Okay. Erman, are you taking notes or watching only?
Teacher,
I'm taking
Teacher.
screenshots, teacher, then I write my notes.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
analyze.
Okay.
Teacher, I started
teacher, can
studying
I
for the
close
quiz
my?
yesterday.
Yes, Sarah, what you said?
Teacher, can I close my camera for 2 minutes because someone is in my room?
Okay. Yes,
Thank
Erman?
you.
Teacher, I've started studying for the quiz from yesterday. I still don't get them completely, but slowly, I'm getting there.
Haydi bakalım.
Excuse
Hocam
me.
5 alacağım.
Hadi inşallah.
Excuse me, teacher. When will we
Yes.
have the math quiz?
Next week on.
As we
On
decided
Sunday.
on Monday, I think, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, on Monday.
We said on Wednesday because on Monday we had art.
Yes.
On
Next week
Wednesday.
on Wednesday. Yes. Next week on Wednesday. This I mean
Today,
1
this
week
week.
from today. Yes.
Teacher, we will do during the lesson?
Yes.
Okay.
It's like the
Because
exam, so we have to take pictures from the notes. That's why.
we'll see. I will try to ask in different ways, not to have pictures, but something else.
You will ask us oral.
I will search lots of things for you guys. I will spend my time on computer for you. Okay.
Don't make it hard.
Wednesday, right?
I tried not to force you for something, but as you can see by yourself, lots of 5s, but no answers. So this is like What is this 5s then? Yeah?
You can ask us oral.
I'm asking right now. I can see something. As you can see, I'm asking oral something. And okay, some of the topics are new, but some of them you need to know till now, because we have solved lots of questions. Now let's continue.
Every lesson will start with oral.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, who didn't answer today? I mean, who I didn't ask anything.
Me, teacher.
Who?
Me, but I don't do this question.
But someone, you're talking every lesson already. So today I will ask someone else. It's a simple question. Tringa, can you answer? You're in the, but I think that you're listening the lesson.
Oh, wait. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
For which values of key does the equation x2 plus 2k have no real solution, 2 distinct real roots, 1 double root?
So what was this question about? Okay, maybe for Tringa it's a bit hard today. She's in the car. Eva? Eva is frozen.
Eva has seen internet problem all day.
Okay.
She's frozen.
Yes, I can see.
Teacher,
Kibari?
if it's, can you hear me?
Yes, Tringa, now we can hear you.
Okay. If it's less than 0, then it's no real solution.
What is less than 0, Tringa? What is less than 0?
The equation, teacher.
All the equation?
Key, teacher, key. The one where, which values of key? Which means if key is less than 0, there is no real solution.
Okay. Are you sure for this? Kibari, can you help to Tringa? In which cases?
So, I'm not sure.
Yes. It's not, I mean, it's not the key that has to be less than 0. Yes, something has to be less than 0, but it's not k. Yes, Kibaria, what do you think? What we need to find for this equation to have no real solutions or double root or distinct real roots? Do you have any opinion?
Teacher, I think it's the equation, but I'm not sure.
But equation cannot be. If we'll take all the equation to be less than 0, it won't be equation, it will be inequality. But we have something specific that we are taking from the equation, and we are saying that there is 3 cases, less than 0, equal to 0, or greater than 0. What is that thing, Kibaria?
Teacher, I think minus infinity and 0 is real solution here.
No.
The x, teacher, the roots?
No.
Oh, God.
I think that we don't understand each other well. So
we don't understand the question well. That's the
yes, you don't understand the question. Fatih, when we had quadratic equation.
Yes, teacher.
Quadratic equation.
What, teacher?
Do you know what does mean quadratic equation?
I think yes.
Okay. So what we said for quadratic equation, to have two different roots, what we need? Do you remember that part of the topic? Or who can help? Who will answer me? What am I asking? Understands what am I asking?
Teacher, since
Yes, Vesa?
when delta is equal to 0,
we have delta. This one you are talking about. What is this delta? How we call it?
Discriminant.
Discriminant. Yes, I am asking you for discriminant. Yes, what is discriminant? Vesa?
From the quadratic formula.
There is a double root.
So, can you tell me the formula of discriminant?
Yes, b squared minus 4ac.
B squared minus 4ac. Then we had cases of discriminant. We said when discriminant is less than 0. Also yesterday we talked about this. Also yesterday you didn't know the discriminant, guys. And today,
yeah, that's why you
not yesterday, but Monday. And because of that, I said you need
to
listen me more carefully. But again, no discriminant. So you didn't search what is discriminant. Okay. Yes, Vesa, when discriminant is less than 0, we said that?
There is no real root.
No real solutions or roots. When discriminant is
equal to 0,
double root. And when discriminant is
greater than 0, it will be two distinct roots.
Two distinct
or different roots.
Yes, distinct means two different roots. So for A, we need to take which case, Ermal?
If the discriminant is smaller than 0.
Discriminant is smaller than 0. So discriminant, we know that it is b squared minus 4ac. This one has to be less than 0. What is b in our equation, Ermal?
2.
B. We studied in Saturday, Ermal.
Yes, I know, teacher, I remember that.
We had A, B, and C.
I think it's minus 1 minus k, or
one more time, I couldn't hear you.
I think it's 2, and then in the parenthesis 1 minus k.
Yes, all this is B, 2.
Yeah.
2, 1 minus k. We need to take the square of it. Minus 4 times, what is A?
1.
1. What is C?
1.
1. Has to be less than 0. What will be 2 times 1 minus k square?
We should open the binomial.
You should open the binomial, or firstly, let's do multiplication. We have 2 minus 2k square. Minus here we have 4 times 1.
4.
4 times 1 again 4. Now, how will open the binomial square, Stephanie? Stephanie?
I don't know.
Teacher, 2 squared minus 2 times 2 times minus 2k plus 2k squared.
2 squared minus 2 times 2k plus 2k squared. Minus 4 is less than 0. Now what we have here? 4
minus 2k
8k
plus 4k squared
minus 4 is less than 0.
And those 4s we will cancel them.
Yes, 4 and minus 4 will cancel.
We will have minus 8k plus 4k squared.
Yes, but if we'll write it in standard form, it will be 4k squared minus 8k is less than 0.
4k squared minus 8k is equal to 0. Yeah?
Now, to find the k values, what we'll do, 4k squared minus 8k will equalize to 0. And how, how I will find the k values?
4k is common for both of them.
4k is common for both of them. So
we have k minus 2.
K minus 2 is equal to y8, but it will be 0. Then, Elsa, what will be the values of k here? How will find the k's?
Sorry.
-8.
The k values, we need to find the k here. When 4k times k minus 2 is equal to 0, what will be k? I mean, we will have some k values.
Yes, 4k squared.
No, you don't. We had that one. We had 4k squared minus 8k, and then we factorize it. Now we need to find k is equal to something, k1 is equal to something, k2 is equal to something.
To 0, k1 is equal to 0.
K1 is equal to 0, k2?
K2 is equal to 1.
To what?
2.
Oh, two,
Yes. Yes. For the k, when it is 0 and 2, we found. Now I need to draw the sign chart. I will draw the sign chart, Elsa.
We will write the equation.
Here I'm writing the equation. 4 squared minus 8k. And here I need to write the roots that we found. 0 and 2.
0 and 2.
Which one will be first?
0.
0, then 2 I have. Then here?
Plus infinity.
Plus infinity, okay. So these dots here, Elsa, will be filled or empty?
Empty.
Why empty?
I really don't understand this part, teacher. When do we know when it's filled? When do we know when it's empty?
Okay, thank you for asking. Don't wait to understand it by yourself. If it is hard for you, ask me. Here is our inequality that we are trying to solve, yes? And this inequality, we have less than 0, yes?
Yes.
When we don't have any here less than or equal to or greater than or equal to this equality.
So that is not included.
Yes, that is not included. When it's only less, it means that these dots are not included. Why? Because these points are...
Is it the same when it's also greater than 0?
Yes, it's same when also it is only greater than 0.
So when we have greater than or equal to or smaller than or equal to, we have it to...
Yes, in these cases not included. In these cases included. So these points, guys, that we are finding here, these are the values that is making this expression 0. If there is no equality here, it means that we don't have to take these values as solution because they are making it 0, but we are looking for the values that will be less than 0, okay?
Okay.
But it was less than or equal to 0, so there is or equal. So in that case, we are taking these values, okay? So here it is empty. Now how I will start to write the sign? We are starting sign of the k squared, plus, minus, plus. And which one is our solution?
Sorry?
Which part is our solution? We need to take some of the parts, pluses or minus, as solution.
Minus.
Minus, why?
Because we solved the part inside, which is minus. And also it's negative.
Because
so
it's less than, yes, smaller than 0. We need to take the negative ones. So x is element of from 0 to 2. 0 and 2 are not included. Are we clear, guys?
Yes.
This one was the solution of only A when it is less than 0. But here we took when it is less than 0 for A. For B, you know, you don't have to do all these operations. For B, what is in B? 1 double root when it equal to 0. So here we found the values that makes discriminant 0. It is K1 0 and K2 2. And C when discriminant is greater than 0. So Ermal, which ones will take as solution? For C?
Number 2 only, teacher, because it's greater than 0.
No. Here, look. Our discriminant is this expression.
Yes.
Only K. Okay, so discriminant is positive when K is between minus infinity till 0. 0 is not included, and from 2 till infinity, and 2 is not included. Did you understand this question?